This is just to assure you that the Food and Drugs Authority has used what we call the emergency use authorization pathway to authorize the 2 vaccines that we have at the moment. That is the Covishield, is the Astrazeneca Oxford vaccine manufactured by Serum Institute of India, and what you call the Sputnik-V, which is manufactured by a company in Russia. Now, emergency use authorization is a pathway that we use. That pathway is just to ensure that a needed medical product, especially in a pandemic, is made available in a timely manner. So the only thing that is different in emergency use is that we do it quickly. We have not bypassed any safety or efficacy standards that we would normally look out for. We just ensure that we do it faster so that the product can be made available in a quick and timely manner. So just to assure you that all the things that we have to do to ensure that a vaccine or a medical product is safe, we have done for these 2 vaccines. As you were told, after the vaccine has been authorized, as with every other product, the safety has to be monitored. And we have put together a nationwide safety surveillance system. That is the same system that we use for all vaccines that are used in the country. And every person who is vaccinated will be followed up actively to ensure that any adverse event that they experience will be reported, it will be managed, and it will be, the causality will be assessed. Sometimes you can experience an adverse event that may not be related to the vaccination. So we look at every adverse event report to ensure that we have assessed what we call causality, to see whether it was related to the vaccine. We will do this follow-up with the EPI, and it is nationwide. So no matter where you are, if you are vaccinated, you will be followed up. We will do this through a system that may use phone calls. We launched an app called the Med Safety app in 2019 that you have on your phone. So if you are vaccinated and you experience anything, you can report it. There's an online reporting system, there's a hotline, and there's there'll be dedicated safety numbers, mobile numbers that you can also use. We are working with the EPI to train all healthcare professionals on what to expect following vaccination. And we've been monitoring the international scene. So for anybody who's used Sputnik, any country that has used it, we know the adverse events that have currently been experienced. And so far, it is the normal slight temperature, chills, some injection site reactions. We have not got any adverse events of special interest that causes us concern. If anything like that comes up, because we are also working with all the other countries within the WHO drug safety monitoring system, we will hear about it, and then we will make it known to the healthcare professionals. We have also put together a 13-member expert committee that will be working with us. We always have an expert committee that works with us on adverse events. We've put together from 3 different adverse committees that we have, safety committees that we have, and we put together a 13-member committee that will ensure that causality is assessed as soon as we receive a report. And we'll be reporting back every week on whatever we've received, just to assure Ghanaians that we are actually doing what we are supposed to do. I always add that, just to assure you that the FDA is a maturity level 3, and in pharmacovigilance, which is safety, we are maturity level 4. Very few of them in the world. And we are also a regional center of excellence in Africa for safety monitoring. And we've been a member of the WHO Center for International Drug Monitoring since 2001. So we have effectively monitored new vaccines like the measles, rubella, yellow fever, rotavirus, pneumococcal vaccine that was introduced a few years ago. And recently, we monitored effectively the safety of the malaria vaccine. So we assure you that we have a good safety system in place, together, working together with the EPI and working together with the staff in the safety department and the expert committees.